Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best GPS trackers for cars on Amazon. At The Drive have compiled a list of the best GPS trackers that'll give you the peace of mind of knowing where your car is at all times. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Apple AirTags. At a size slightly larger than a US $0.25, the Apple AirTag is a great choice for those searching for a discreet option and gives peace of mind if lost with the fantastic Lost Mode feature. It runs seamlessly with iPhones, and its versatility increases tenfold thanks to the support of thousands of aftermarket accessories. These accessories include keychain cases, magnet cases, and fully submersible waterproof cases. Heck, they even have customizable wallet cases with AirTag slots. They have no monthly subscription, a reasonable price point, and 1-year battery life. What we like about it? No subscription. Small size. 1-year battery life, replaceable battery. IP67 water resistance. Huge third-party accessory support. Lost Mode feature. What we don't like about it? No real-time tracking. Alerts thieves. Doesn't work with Android devices. Only updates location within 30 feet of a Find My compatible Apple device. Number 2. Spytech GL300 GPS Tracker. The Spytech GL300 is our best overall, as at $40, this versatile and intelligent tracker can fill many roles with great depth and execution. It can fit in numerous places inside your vehicle, and with a waterproof and magnetized case, it can even be placed underneath your car. The Spytech GL300 can personalize reports based on how you choose to use the device. All information can be easily accessed through its dedicated app, where you can see vehicle departure and arrival, boundary updates, perimeter breaching, and SOS button activation. This GPS tracker is also privacy-focused too, as it keeps zero personal data stored on the device. The battery life is great as well, lasting 2.5 weeks on average. What we like about it? Real-time updates on a dedicated Google Maps-based app. 4G, LTE. Discreet and thin. Perimeter monitoring feature that detects tracker leaving an area. What we don't like about it? Not waterproof or magnetized out of the box. Case required. Number 3. Landseer GPS Tracker. Magnetized, waterproof, and a little smaller than a hockey puck, the Landseer GPS Tracker is a great choice for those looking to hide their car GPS tracker in the undercarriage. This tracker is app-based, connecting to 4G LTE towers as well as satellites. Its pinpoint accuracy tracking is available within 6 feet. This GPS tracker will alert you through its dedicated app with real-time movements and real-time notifications, providing you with stops, perimeter breaches, and even addresses. There is also a feature available called ShareSpot, which allows you to send notifications and information to designated contacts, making it a top choice for families and close friends. What we like about it? Real-time tracking with 4G LTE plus satellite. Built-in magnets. 1 to 2 week battery life, with 6-month lifespan on low power mode. What we don't like about it? Recharge time is long, at 12 hours. Number 4. Vinx GPS Tracker. At $80 and no monthly subscription fee, the Vinx GPS Tracker is a fantastic value all around. This car GPS tracker plugs into the OBD2 port on your vehicle, but works even when your car is off by drawing small amounts of battery to wake itself and update its locations and any other data that has been recorded since its last refresh. The Vinx GPS tracker can also monitor things such as vehicle health, driving habits, fuel level, route mapping, and even vehicle recalls. This tracker also has worldwide support, making it an easy choice for anyone, no matter their country of residence. What we like about it? App, web and/or Amazon Alexa based. Easily summarized data. Vehicle health monitoring. One-time activation fee saves money. What we don't like about it? Refresh time is 3 minutes, with an upcharge for a 15-second refresh. 4G support. Number 5. Bouncy GPS Car Tracker. The bouncy GPS car tracker is a fantastic option for parents looking to keep their children and family vehicles safe. Plugging into the standard OBD2 port in vehicles, it's capable of monitoring vehicle health, fuel level, speed, hard braking, accident notification, idle time, route mapping, and geofencing. On top of all of that, it also includes roadside assistance and 15-second refresh time. Those who work on their own vehicle will quickly find the appeal in this device, as it's able to read any fault codes that show up after that pesky check engine light turns on. What we like about it: 15-second auto refresh. Google Maps tracking. Shows driving habits and vehicle health. Offers roadside assistance. Geo circles geo zones. What we don't like about it: no tracking when the vehicle is off. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.